Hi guys, my name is PM Lilo. So before we go further with Nasdaq analysis for next week, please remember to subscribe on this channel so that you can be able to receive more analysis that are dropped each and every week. So guys, if you can see here, last week I predicted that Nasdaq will trade lower to clear these equal lows. To clear them, then I was anticipating to take a sniper entry at this point at 110550.0, but then it didn't go according to my prediction. But so far, on higher time frames, I said that as long as you see bullish candles on daily and stuff, as long the trend is going up, you must focus on long positions. Okay. But then I got late from Monday at 3:30. But so luckily, everything went well for the whole week as we managed to collect pips each and every day. So now I'll deploy another strategy that's gonna assist you in taking optimal entries on Nasdaq. Okay. So then now, before wasting a lot of time, let's jump straight to the point. So now guys, we are on this site. This is a daily chart. So as we are here on the daily chart, what you must observe again, we must check for the uptrend, whether is it still aligned. Okay. So if you can check on Thursday, we had this bullish candle, then this one is for Friday. Okay. So it means the market is telling us that Nasdaq is still on the rally, is still on the bullish trend. Okay. So remember again, you must first analyze on higher time frames in order for you not to trade on the blind and for you to see the direction clearly. Okay. So now let's just move on 4 hour. As we're still here on 4 hour, we can see here at this point, we had a market maker buy model on this leg. Okay, because it didn't, the market didn't trade up to this point by where we can at least have a supply zone. You can see this candle lost its momentum because of market maker buying profile or buying model. So now, what do we really have to check? We must pay attention on this support levels and again on this resistance level. You can also use them as your take profit levels if you go bullish. But if you also if we continue or we go bearish, can use these levels as your take profit levels. So to make everything clear, we still have to go on smaller time frames. You can see here at this point that we on a bullish market, as we had a support at this point. Then now the market began to trade on an uptrend. Those are things that you have to pay attention on. But then now, than wasting time, let's just go straight to the point. You have to go straight to the point. You can see what happened here. And you also had this candle, which tend to be our supply zone on smaller time frames. You can see. So now, what exactly is the importance of these horizontal lines? On Monday, if you see the market trading above 11,566,2, you have to target for long positions up to these levels. Do not be greedy, because what can happen is it can come test this level. Let's assume that you didn't put a take profit level here. It can come and retest and go back to this point. So each and every time you must put your take profit level, and you also have to put a stop loss in order for you to be safe. Okay, so now if you see the market trades above 11,566,2, you have to go for a long position up to these two levels, which our target is 11,597.0. Then our second target will be at 11,612.5. Okay, then this level is just gonna be your bonus point at 11,659.7. This is gonna be your bonus point. So what do you have to expect exactly? You must also expect reversals, retracement, when the market reaches these levels. Okay, so it will be vice versa according to this support levels. If you see the market trades below 11,566.2, your first target is gonna be 11,535.2. Then your second target gonna be 11,520.0. Then this one is gonna be your bonus. So far, what I see is that we are still on the bullish market. So now you can just calculate the distance like this. You can just calculate the distance. Let me just make it thicker. Okay. This point up to this point must be equal to this point up to a certain point here. It can even trade above this level, guys. But for safety, these are levels that you have to pay attention on. Okay. Then now you have to do it like this. So it means Nasdaq will be bullish up to it will be bullish up to 11,702.7. So guys, this is a setup that you have to be aware of. So then now the other thing is that if you see that the market is trading below 11,566.2, you can also use these targets for your long entry points, especially this one. If it can retrace up to this point, just use this one as a long position entry, because Nasdaq is always going up. You understand? It's on an uptrend when you check it on bigger time frames. So what you have to do, you can also use these levels as your long entry points, but ignore the first level, this one. Try to target this one and this one as your long entry points, and at least put your stop loss here if you have enough funds. Just switch to 15 minutes. You can see what's happening here. We had a breakout at this level, retracement, then a rally, you see. Then here again, this level was tested at this point. So now it means on Monday, we have to expect Nasdaq to trade higher to these levels. Okay. Remember, if it trades lower, use these levels as your long entries. Use these levels as your long entries. So guys, feel free to come up with your own opinions. And remember, this is not an investment advice. It's only for educational purposes. Try by all means to observe these levels. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you next time.